Hello guys, today I will do a comparison video of Tecno Spark 9 Pro versus Tecno Spark 8 Pro. So let's get start the video. Let's talk about dimension. Height. A Spark 9 Pro has 164.1 mm height and Tecno Spark 8 Pro has 169 mm height. Width. Tecno Spark 9 Pro has 76.1 mm width and a Spark 8 Pro has 76.8 mm width. Thickness. Tecno Spark 9 Pro has 8.5 mm thickness and 8 Pro has 8.8 mm thickness. Weight. Tecno Spark 9 Pro is 197 gram weight and Spark 8 Pro is 181 gram weight. Let's talk about display in detail. A screen size. A Spark 9 Pro is 6.6 inches a screen size and a Spark 8 Pro is 6.8 inches a screen size. Resolution. Tecno Spark 9 and Tecno Spark 8 Pro both the phone have 1080p resolution. Aspect ratio. Tecno Spark 9 Pro and Tecno Spark 8 Pro both the phone support 20:9 aspect ratio. Pixel density. Tecno Spark 9 Pro is 407 ppi and 8 Pro is 395 ppi pixel density. Display type. Tecno Spark 9 Pro is IPS LCD panel and 8 Pro is also IPS LCD panel. Protection. Tecno Spark 9 Pro and Tecno Spark 8 Pro doesn't confirm the company any protection. A screen to body ratio. 9 Pro has 85.6% screen to body ratio and 8 Pro has 84.6% screen to body ratio. Let's talk about camera in detail. Start with Tecno Spark 9 Pro. It's have a triple camera slot and its primary camera have 48 megapixel aperture 1.8, micro camera of 2 megapixel aperture 2.2 or depth camera of 2 megapixel aperture 2.4 or HDR LED flash. Let's talk Tecno Spark 3. It's also have a triple camera slot and its primary camera have 48 megapixel aperture 1.9, micro camera of 2 megapixel aperture 2.2 or depth camera of 2 megapixel aperture 2.4 or HDR LED flash. Let's talk both the phone camera video recording feature. A Spark 9 Pro and 8 Pro both the phone can record 4K video at 30 fps. Selfie camera. A Spark 9 Pro has 32 megapixel selfie camera and a Spark 8 Pro has 8 megapixel selfie camera. Both can record 1080p video. Let's talk about hardware in depth. Start with chipset. A Spark 9 Pro has come with MediaTek Helio G85 processor and 8 Pro is also MediaTek Helio G85 processor. Hardware CPU. Both the phone have octa-core Cortex A75 or Cortex A55 processor. 9 Pro and 8 Pro both the phone have same CPU. Hardware GPU. A Spark 9 Pro and Tecno Spark 8 Pro both the phone have Mali G52 MC2 hardware GPU. RAM. A Spark 9 Pro and 8 Pro both the phone have 4GB or 6GB of RAM variant. Internal storage. Both the phone come with around 128GB of internal storage. Let's talk hardware card slot. A Spark 9 Pro has supported card slot and a Spark 8 Pro also supported a card slot. Battery. A Spark 9 Pro has 5000 mAh battery and Tecno Spark 8 Pro has also 5000 of mAh battery. Fast charging. Tecno Spark 9 Pro has only 18 watt fast charger and a Spark 8 Pro has 33 watt fast charger. Operating system. A Spark 9 Pro is Android 12 HiOS 8.6 and a Spark 8 Pro is Android 11 HiOS 7.6. Let's talk both the phone connectivity. Start with Tecno Spark 9 Pro. It supports side-mounted fingerprint. It also supports 4G network, NFC, Wi-Fi 5, stereo speaker, GPS, Bluetooth 5.1, USB Type-C, UFS 2.1 or 90Hz high refresh rate. Let's talk Tecno Spark 8 Pro. It also supports side-mounted fingerprint, support 4G network, NFC, 90Hz high refresh rate, stereo speaker, GPS, Bluetooth 5.1, USB Type-C 2.0, UFS 2.1 or Wi-Fi 5. Let's talk both the phone price. Start with Tecno Spark 9 Pro come around $10,999 of $140 of 6GB RAM variant and a Spark 8 Pro come $9,000 of $499 of $121 of 6GB RAM or 128GB internal storage. Let's come on result. Design wise both the phone are look similar. Camera wise I will go for Tecno Spark 9 Pro because of selfie camera. Hardware wise both the phone have same hardware. Connectivity wise also both the phone have same connectivity. Charging wise there is a better charger on Tecno Spark 8 Pro of 33 watt fast charger. So thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.